Hey, it's Ty, and today we're getting into my skincare routine. Hey guys, today I'm sharing my daily skincare routine for acne-prone skin with hormonal breakouts and dark spots. I start with the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. This is my go-to first cleanse to remove any dirt or oils from the night before, and it gives my skin a clean and fresh start. I do like to wear makeup throughout the week, so having a cleanser that is really getting all the dirt, oils, and excess debris out of my skin is extremely helpful. To give my skin an even deeper cleanse, I use the Tripolar Genio facial device. This is my favorite for giving my skin an extra boost. It gently exfoliates and leaves my skin brighter and smoother. Due to me having acne-prone skin, my problem areas are usually around my cheeks and my chin. Sometimes I have a few breakouts on top of my forehead, but for the most part, they usually pop up on my cheeks and my chin. So while I'm here, I make sure to hit those problem areas, getting a deeper cleanse and getting all of that makeup, debris, sweat from going to the gym out of my skin. I feel like I've struggled with acne for some time now, especially after I stopped taking birth control in college. I was on birth control for almost over 10 years, and I decided that I wanted to allow my hormones to adjust naturally. So from that point forward, I started getting a few more breakouts as my body was adjusting to its regular rhythm. And with that comes a lot of changes. Next, I go in with the La Roche-Posay Foaming Cleanser to double cleanse. Now this ensures my skin is totally clean and prepped for the next steps of my routine. As I mentioned, managing my hormonal acne-prone skin has been challenging after birth control, but I can say confidently that I do feel great about my routine now, and my hormones, at least my cycle, is back on track. At one point, I wasn't having a cycle to almost 3 to 4 months at a time, and that was a crazy time in life, but I feel great now. And that is due to me making sure that I'm not stressed. I'm taking supplements, I'm going to the gym, if not almost every other day. So I definitely have a great routine. I think now more than ever, I realize how much your routine, your diet, your hormones, your stress levels play a huge role into how your skin is reacting. And when you are stressed and things aren't in order, your body is going to let you know. Next, I exfoliate with Good Molecules pineapple powder. This step is super gentle, but it helps to brighten my skin and keep it soft without irritation. This is like a powdered mix, and it took me forever to actually figure out how to use it, but it's really simple. Just make sure your skin is wet and you kind of like apply it, and then after a while it kind of turns into like this soapy consistency. So I really do like it. It's not harsh on my skin at all. Also, keep in mind, trying different products can also mess up your skin too, because as we live in this world of influencer culture, it's so easy to pick up a new product and say, okay, I'm going to try this now, I'm going to try this now. And honestly, that might be what is messing up your skin. So take your time, actually be consistent with a product to see if it's working for you. And I've had my run-ins and products that didn't work for me, so I think now these products that I'm showing you here in this video have worked for me consistently, and I would say for the past, if not 9 months. The newest product that I've added to this routine is the La Roche-Posay cleanser. I've also learned to just be patient with my skin because we're all human. I do still have breakouts from time to time, whether it's due to me eating too much dairy or I am stressed out from work or just personal life. Just be patient with yourself. Make sure that you're following a routine. Sometimes I mess up on my routine and I'll have a breakout. I'm like, oh my God, I should have been more consistent this week with my skincare, because now I got a couple pimples on my face. But after I dry my skin, that's when it's time for us to tone. I follow up with the Ordinary Yeast Toner. It's calming and balances my skin, which I love before layering my other products. So I used to use the really strong toners that have alcohol in them, like the astringents, Seabreeze, and other brands as well. And I noticed how that was truly like drying my skin out to the point where it was peeling. Now that I started using more of a calmer toner and something that's not too strong, I've noticed another difference in my skin. It's a little bit more soft, it's glowing, it also stays hydrated too. After that, I use the Ordinary Glycolic Toner. This is great for light chemical exfoliation, helping to keep my dark marks and breakouts in check. I make sure to use this morning and night. It's not too harsh, and I definitely notice a difference. It keeps my pimples and breakouts to a minimum while also helping my dark marks fade away over time. I make sure that is all over my face and neck, and then I let it dry. And as you can see, I always have a good time doing my skincare routine in the bathroom. Skincare and taking time for yourself is such a necessary self-care time because I have so much fun in the bathroom, y'all. It's like my personal me time, and I would not trade that for the world. So I make sure that it's dry before I go on to my next steps of making sure my skin is hydrated with my creams and my lotions. Next, I'm going in with the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, and this serum is my hydration hero, and it gives my skin a plump and dewy feel. I honestly feel like this is what gives my skin a nice glowy look. So this is going to keep your skin hydrated, especially in the wintertime and even in the summertime too, because the sun can be very drying. This is my go-to for sure. I always get compliments like, "Oh girl, your skin is glowing" when I put this on. So definitely get you some of this, guys. Honestly, you would have thought I was a bottle girl in the club or something, but next I'm applying my CeraVe Retinol Cream, and this retinol has been great for fading away my dark spots and keeping my breakouts under control. So outside of this retinol serum here, I do have a prescribed tretinoin that I do use during the nighttime mostly, and I can say that has been one of my most consistent products that I've used from the dermatologist, and it makes a huge difference. So I can say if you have the ability to go to a dermatologist and get prescribed medication, I would do that because it definitely helps. It makes a difference. For my under eyes, I use Herbivore Moon Dew Eye Cream. It's a lightweight cream and it helps hydrate and brighten my under eyes. So I don't really struggle with puffiness under my eyes. I struggle with dark circles and a little bit of redness from time to time. So this is a product that has definitely worked for me so far. To lock everything in, I use Lineage Waterbrink Moisturizer, and this keeps my skin hydrated all day without feeling greasy. Now this is literally my go-to. Like, I feel like my skin is so soft when I use this product, and it literally will keep your skin hydrated all day. You ever feel like you put on facial lotion and your skin is just like dry? It was like, why does my skin feel dry? Or it feels like overly oily. This is not going to give you that. It is, I believe it's $40, but I think it's worth it. So I know they have different versions of this Waterbrink moisturizer, but I just have the classic one. And then I finish with my Black Girl Sunscreen facial sunscreen, and this is a must-have for preventing dark spots and protecting my skin from UV damage. I used to be that girl that did not wear sunscreen every day, and now I swear by it. I definitely have to put on sunscreen every day, even if I'm just going to the gym. Like, make sure that you are putting on sunscreen, and make sure you're getting underneath your skin too, under your neck, because that makes a huge difference. And for the last 2 steps, I'm going to use my Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask and the Trader Joe's Rose Water for a refreshing and final boost. I've been using the Trader Joe's Rose Water for, I would definitely say, almost 10 years for sure, because that product just ties everything all in together after you're done with your routine. And the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask is going to make your lips soft and kissable, baby. Like, it's supposed to be for nighttime, but I use it for the daytime. It lasts pretty much all day, and it literally will keep your lips so soft. And as you can see, I am smiling, and that is it, guys, for my daily skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you use any of these products or if you have recommendations for acne prone and sensitive skin. I again have struggled for years, but I feel like this is what is finally working for me. I do, as a last step, fluff out my eyebrows and my lashes while I'm still dancing to my music in the background. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time, guys. Peace.